Hey guys, you are watching the concluding video of our Sundarban trip. This is day three, and if you find our conclusion is that we didn't enjoy a lot, and everything is like seems to be boring. Everywhere you go, there are 7-8 places we have visited, and everything seems to be very same. And,
we spent 2 days and 3 days.
2 nights and 3 days.
Only
the thing we enjoyed is having lunch, dinner on board. Boat. And
chicken, then mutton, then you can have
everywhere you'll find the same
traditional Bengali luchis.
If you step out of the boat, enter into the enclosed fence jungle, you will find only the watchtower. And if you get onto the height of the watchtower, you won't find anything.
We have covered several places like named Pakiria one, next is Pakirali, next is Sajnekhali. One big market that we went into is named Gosaba. There is State Bank of India over there. Apart from that, there is no other banks over here, and the network is only Vodafone, Airtel is coming. No other networks are available here. So guys, if you are visiting to Sundarban, then please be in a Vodafone network. If you want to communicate with
Vodafone and Airtel are recommended. Other than that, do not ever carry Reliance network. Nowhere it is recommended. Never.
No BSNL also. Even if it is the strongest network in India, but there is no reachability over
Do not rely on Reliance. Rely on Airtel and Vodafone. That's it.
The toilets, the water systems, the bathing systems are not that good.
Toilets on board are not that good.
So
if you are looking for the good quality toilet, you should get down on certain spots, enter in the jungle, small jungle, which is located near the watchtower.
So you have to compromise on these things like sleeping system, toilet, and still if you want to enjoy, but you should be lucky at the same time. You should be there in the watchtower for some time, like 1 hour, 2 hour, and to get a chance to see the tiger over there. As you know, we didn't get a chance to look at one the tiger.
It certainly depends on your luck that you watch a tiger. We didn't even watch single tiger, not even their footstep. What do you call that? Prints. Neither we found any crocodiles and all. Only the thing we found is some monkeys, 4 or 5 deers and monkeys. That's it.
Yeah.
And 2 nights, 3 days we found that thing itself. And if you are coming to Sundarban to watch tiger, then don't come. Simply don't come. Go to the Alipur Zoo or any other zoo. Spend some time with tiger. Photo shoot. That's it.
At the same time also the entry fees are quite expensive.
And every time you have to rely on the boat person and all. They will get you. They will
get you the pass, and
they will take you on every spot.
15 to 20 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes travel inside the reserve, the tiger park or the animal park. You have to pay up to 3,000, and there are no. You cannot see animals over there. You have to be lucky at the same time. Only thing you can see some fucking monkeys and some small monkeys.
The only difference here in Sundarban, if you want to come here, if you are very frustrated, very much jam-packed schedule, then you can come here for relaxing. Very far from sounds of the vehicles, no pollution, nothing like that. You can enjoy. You can relax here.
You can also come with
if you want to enjoy, there is nothing seems to be like that. No facilities, nothing to enjoy here.
It's recommended to come with your friends, colleagues, maybe girlfriends. But it will not recommended to come with your parents because they are elder people and they will.
Boats are also not that much good enough.
They will not feel good. They will not feel comfortable inside the boat. And so, as you can see,
the travel distance from one spot to another spot is quite large. It takes around 2 to 2.5 hours to travel from one spot to another spot. See the Khairul Bhai now is coming outside from.
You can see the toilet over here. The toilet.
Small toilet. घुसते के साथ ही खत्म हो जाता है ये toilet.
And
पैर रखने का जगह नहीं होता है. और